Hey, are you free this weekend?
Yes, why?
I want to talk about something exciting.
What is it?
I have been thinking about taking a trip.
Really? Where?
I'm not sure yet. That is why I want to talk.
Okay, I am listening.
I want to go somewhere new,
How long are you thinking?
maybe 1 week.
1 week is perfect. Not too long, not too short.
Exactly what I thought.
Where are you thinking of going?
I looked at a few places online:
Like where?
Paris, Barcelona, or Rome.
All three are amazing.
I know. That is the problem. I cannot decide.
What do you want from the trip?
Good food, nice views, and a relaxed atmosphere.
Then all three work.
I know. Help me choose.
Okay. Have you been to any of them before?
No, never.
Then any of them would be great for a first visit.
True. Which one would you choose?
Honestly, Rome.
Why Rome?
The food is incredible. The history is amazing, and it is very walkable.
That sounds perfect, actually.
And the weather in Rome is usually very nice.
Okay, Rome it is then.
Are you going alone?
I was thinking of asking you, actually.
Me? Really?
Yes. Would you want to come?
I would love to come.
Really? That is great.
When are you thinking of going?
Maybe next month?
Next month works for me.
Let us look at flights now.
Good idea. Open your laptop.
Okay, I found some flights,
How much are they?
around $300 each way.
That is not bad.
I know. I thought it would be more expensive.
When does the flight leave?
There is one on the 15th, early morning,
How early?
6 in the morning.
That is very early.
I know, but it is the cheapest one.
Okay. I can manage 6 in the morning,
Good. And it arrives at 2 in the afternoon local time.
so we have the whole afternoon when we arrive.
Exactly. We can go straight to the hotel.
Have you found a hotel?
I looked at a few.
What are they like?
There is one near the city center. Good reviews, and not too expensive.
How much per night?
About $80.
For 1 week, that is 560 total.
Yes. Split between us, it is 280 each.
That is very reasonable.
I think so too.
Okay, let us book both.
Are you sure?
100%. Let us do it.
Okay. Booking now.
I cannot believe we are actually doing this.
Me neither. Ha 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 ha.
Rome. I am so excited.
Me too. Okay. Flights booked.
And hotel.
Booked too.
We are really going to Rome.
We really are. Ha ha ha. I cannot believe we are at the airport already.
I know. It felt so far away, and now here we are.
Did you pack everything?
I think so. Passport, clothes, phone charger.
Good. I almost forgot my charger.
Really?
I went back for it at the last minute.
See, good thing you remembered.
I know. That would have been a disaster.
Is the flight on time?
Let me check. Yes, on time.
Perfect. What time do we board?
In about 40 minutes.
Okay, nice. Do you want coffee while we wait?
Yes, please. I need it after waking up at 4.
Me too.
I am tired but excited at the same time.
Same. I could not sleep last night.
Neither could I. Too excited.
Have you looked at what we should do in Rome?
A little. I want to see the Colosseum
Of course. That is the first stop.
and the Trevi Fountain.
Yes. We have to throw a coin.
For good luck?
Exactly. It is a tradition.
I like that. What else?
The Vatican, and lots of pasta.
Ha 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 ha. Lots of pasta.
That is the most important part.
Ha 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 ha. I completely agree.
Okay. They are calling our flight.
Let us go. Rome, here we come.
Quick question for everyone watching.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Where did you go?
Write your answer in the comments right now.
We want to know. Any answer is perfect.
Write it in English. Even one simple sentence is great.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
And subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.